Dear brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods, and it's my pleasure to welcome you today to our great experiment in creating a no-bake apple pie, alive and organic, but of course. So we're going to start with a cosmic crisp apple. Aren't these apples gorgeous? They're from Washington State. And let's go ahead and let's slice them up. Especially in times such as these, we've got to make every single meal count. Every single meal must be brimming with life forces, not just getting by, but everything that we partake of must be alive and must be organic. And of course, the highest would be that all of our salads, at the very, very least, are from our backyard victory gardens, which are becoming more and more essential in times such as these. And let us remember the example that our forebearers set for us. There were 24 million victory gardens here in 1944 during the height of the Second World War. So let's begin with our Cosmic Crisp apple. Let's put a couple right in there, and here we go. And now, how about some alive organic carrots? So we've created our base, and isn't this just gorgeous? Look at the magnificent coloring. Okay. And now to our blender. This is just an ordinary blender, but it will do the trick for what we want it to do. And now a cup of spring water. We've done this so many times before. Now we're going to be adding, as you've guessed, a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter made from almonds grown by a family farming people who have been 5 generations on this California land. They have 500 acres on which they produce over 1 million pounds of almonds each year. Intentionality makes every difference in the world. So we're going to add a heaping tablespoon of our alive almond butter. And maybe some chia seeds to thicken things up. So as you see, it has flashed into almond milk. It's that easy, and as we're always saying, much fresher than anything that's been sitting since the dawn of the Cenozoic on a store shelf. And now, but we're not going to stop there. Let us add a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic walnut butter. These made from walnuts, also grown by a magnificent family farmer here in California's great Central Valley. So, heaping tablespoon of walnut butter, please. And then why not a tablespoon of our sesame tahini? And now, let's blend all this up. Okay. And now for a body, we're going to add a few organic bananas. And what about an avocado grown here in California for wonderment, for bliss? So, California avocado. Let's give it a blend. And now, some Call of the Wild honey. How about a teaspoon our Vermont maple syrup? And what about a lemon, but of course, let us beautiful. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And of course, with any apple pie, how about a teaspoon of our Living Tree cinnamon powder? And maybe a bit of organic nutmeg, essential ingredients for any apple pie. Nutmeg, we have cinnamon, nutmeg. And then, to heighten and bring out flavors, our Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. Okay. So now let's add this to our apple carrot mixture. And now we're going to put this in a pie dish. And let's add some slivered almonds. And these are diced and pitted medjool dates. So my dearest brothers and sisters, here you have it. A no-bake, alive organic apple pie featuring our alive organic almond butter and our alive organic walnut butter. We're going to put this in the freezer for a couple hours and then serve to family, friends, and neighbors. Well, we've had our no-bake apple pie in the freezer. We've let it thaw a bit, and now it's time to take a slice. So here we go. Carrots and apples, almond butter and walnut butter, all combined to make a pie that exemplifies life forces, streaming, flowing, vivid, life energy. Our privilege, brothers and sisters, to share this with you. Let us go forward. Let's celebrate life and existence. Your comments will be so welcome and so appreciated. You may want to hit the subscribe button down below and even perhaps give us a like. Thank you indeed.